Hey girl, I think our ship left us out here in the middle of nowhere, nothing to eat except for these little sand crabs crawling around.
You're gonna have to take care of me cause I'm a girl and don't know anything except from making babies.
You talking about making babies and you should be worrying how we gonna get FGET off this damn island.
I am worrying about getting off this island but I think this is romantic stuck out here on this little island with just the two us.
Hey, that's a song title. I think the last 4 words you said.
What words? Just the two of us.
Yay, I remember a couple of lines in the song goes something like this. Just the two of us we can make if we try, just the two of us, you and I.
Hey Johnny, you want to get naked? Nobody can see us. We can get a suntan on our white naked bodies and make babies in the sand.
Woman, have you gone and lost your mind? We got to get off this island. How to send a SOS signal would be to our best interest right now.
Johnny, all we got for SOS signals out here are our white asses.
You talked about getting a tan earlier, now you are confusing me. Earlier statement you talked about getting a tan on our bodies, our white asses will be tan.
Oh yeah, that's right, the sun needs something white to reflect off of. If we tan our asses we are going to be screwed.
What do you think another word means for making babies, after the fact that 2 people did while making babies? Screwed, and screwed.
Johnny, I didn't think like that. You are a good pirate.
If I'm a good pirate, then why don't you give me some?
Give you some of what?
You know, girl, making babies thing.
You mean in the sand?
Where else in the water? Then a shark might get us.
I don't want to do it in the sand, with all this little sand crabs running around.
We can take some of those palm tree leaves and make something to lie on.
Cool, I like that idea.